Hi and welcome to casualdiy DIY channel. My name is Thomas and today we'll be looking at this reciprocating saw from Aldi. We'll be unboxing, testing and reviewing this bad boy to see if it's any good to buy for $29.99. Let's talk about some features of this machine. It's 850 watts, 500 to 2800 RPMs, obviously variable, rotating handle, multi-positional adjustment base plate, quick change saw blade holder, and maximum cutting depth in wood is 108 millimeters. For metal is at 10 millimeters. It also has got an LED light and it comes with 4 blades. I'm also quite impressed with the case that this tool comes with. You know, for $29.99 you're getting the tool, 4 blades and a really sturdy carry case. So what's in the box? Obviously we've got our manual. As mentioned before, we've got 4 blades. And the tool itself. Let's talk about some features of this machine. As mentioned before on the unboxing, actually the cutting base here is fully adjustable, so it will adjust to the material you're cutting. The base plate is also adjustable to whatever blade you're going to be using. If you're going to be using a shorter blade, a longer blade, you can retract or extend the foot plate to whatever needs you've got. The next interesting feature is that the handle can actually be twisted. You've got a yellow button here. When you press it, it releases the handle. You can spin it to right or to left depending on what you're actually cutting. It also comes with variable speeds. You've got a dial here. You can go from 0 right up to 6. What do you need to do to insert the blade? It's dead simple. Twist the head, insert the blade, release the head, and it's all done and dusted. So as you can see, operating this saw is really simple. I really like the ability that you can twist the handle to whatever position you want. Sometimes when you need to get to that awkward place, this could come in very handy. Obviously the selection of blades for a tool of this type is quite large. For example, you can buy a blade that's suitable to cutting through wood and metal, and that would be absolutely perfect for breaking down pallets. But it's time to test this bad boy and see how it performs. So let's get into it. Let's start with a piece of pallet. As you can see, it's a fairly clean cut. Next, a 2x4. And how about a piece of OSB? Let's try something a little bit thicker with a longer blade. And just before we continue to the next testing bit, just make sure to subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy my content, and leave me that like button below. That would be greatly appreciated. But let's crack on and see how it performs with metal. And now it's time for metal. Let's see how this saw can handle that. And there you have it, guys, reciprocating saw from Aldi for $29.99. For that money, I think you're getting a fairly good tool. Obviously it's quite heavy, so after some long time of using it, your hands will probably get tired. Obviously it does have a little bit of a kick to it, so you really need to have a tight grip on this machine. And if you're cutting anything that is not permanently attached to something, make sure to clamp it really well, as the vibration from the machine will, you know, move it about. This tool have many uses. It's very good if you're trying to you know, take down a building, because it will cut through more or less anything: plasterboard, metal pipes, countertops, you name it. Obviously quite good to take down pallets as well, or if you, I don't know, you're using some logs, it's quite good with the long blade to actually cut the logs into smaller pieces. Thanks to the rotating handle, there's, you know, the tool gives a nice variety of where you can actually use it as well. So all in all, for $29.99, it's a fairly good, decent tool. Obviously time will tell how long it will last, but it does come with 3 years warranty, and as long as you got your receipt, well, to be fair, you're always gonna get your money back when this breaks. So all in all, it's not bad at all. So there you have it, guys, a nice cheap tool from a supermarket chain for $29.99. It's a fairly good deal. Obviously depending on what you're going to be using, it could come in quite handy. But that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to make some more videos of this type with some cheap tools from supermarkets, let me know down below in the comments. If you've got any more questions about this particular tool, also, you know, leave me a comment down below. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week on my next woodworking adventure. Till then, take care.